question number 84, it says to identify the name of a New York State landscape region where Phacops, which is an index fossil, could be found in the bedrock. This is an amazing question because it actually involves using about 4 different pages of our reference table, and we're actually going to start on page 8 of the reference table and 9. This is the centerfold. This is the geologic history of New York State. Sorry about that. Geologic history of New York State, and we need to find the index fossil called Phacops. And that is located on the bottom. If you look down near the bottom left-hand corner, there's this little guy, which is called Phacops. It's letter C, and then we're going to find letter C on page 9 in this little column called the time distribution of fossils, and you'll see that C is located right there. I know that's kind of small, but right there. And essentially, that location is the time period in which Phacops existed. So we're going to follow that all the way over here to the left-hand side, and you'll see that it's called the Devonian time period, somewhere between 360 million years ago, approximately, somewhere in the neighborhood, probably of around 380 million years ago. Okay, so this Phacops lived in the Devonian time period. Now we're going to actually go back to page 3. So I'm just going to make this a single page view. And we're going to go to page 3 of the reference table to figure out where that is in New York State. Where do we have the Devonian time period bedrock? And if you look here, Devonian is located in this little section in the bottom left-hand corner. It's these just single dots. That's this entire region of the Finger Lakes area, south of Syracuse, western New York, this entire region all the way through here. Elmira and Ithaca and Binghamton are all in that region. That's page 3 of the reference table. We actually have to go back to page 2 to find the actual answer. And so if we go to page 2, we can see that this region is called the Allegheny Plateau. And so the answer to this question, after all of those reference tables, is called the Allegheny Plateau. Allegheny Plateau. And again, just straight up reference table, but quite a few of them to get to that final answer.